Hi guys, this is Sudhanshu from Premium Learnings. This is going to be a very different video, not like my regular sessions for interviews, hyping career strategies and teaching technology to my students. This is one thing which I've been waiting for a long time now. I promised this to be launched in the month of August, so I'm trying my best. Very recently, one of my good students, he met me in a conference and he said that sir, we want to be like you. 5 years, 10 years back, we got trained from you, and now we are doing good in my career. But we always want to be like you are free from this 9 to 5 thing. You used to work in an IT company, but now you are living the dream life, helping people, parallelly making a lot of money. How we can do that? So I thought let me start a series from my office. This is my office. This is the favorite corner of my house, and most of the time, 6-7 hours a day, I'm in this location, and I do my favorite job: teaching, coaching, mentoring people. And I love to share a lot of things with you people, that if you are looking forward to build your own coaching or consulting business from your home, no need to open big offices, hire big teams, because I didn't have that. When I started, I have no money, right? So when you don't have any money, you always think of like strategies to get the best out of the limited resources. So I tried that. I was very fortunate to have very good mentors. I try to learn from different sources, which I share in this journey, in this series. I'm planning to create multiple videos. And if you want to start something of your own, maybe because coaching and consulting is the easiest thing to do, right? You don't have to chase two big clients. You don't have to travel. Whatever you are doing in your 9 to 5 job, initially keep doing that. And especially for ladies who have left their jobs, who used to work in IT and now they are sitting idle, they can implement this thing which I'm going to share. So we need to understand one thing, that what we have skill. You cannot do this thing until unless you have an expertise. Until unless you have at least one expertise, you cannot start a coaching and consulting business. You need to be good in something. May it be coding, may it be QA, may it be agile scrum, may it be non-IT, you might be good in insurance, you might be good in sales, you might be good in B2B sales, B2C sales, whatever, right? You need to understand one thing, that using your skill, your company is making money, and they are making big money. That's why they are paying your salary. If you are getting 100 rupees as your monthly salary, I'm just giving a number, your company is making at least 400 to 600 rupees. That means 4x to 5x the amount of money which they are giving to you. They are making that much of money. That is the basic margin level which I have seen in all the industries. Either they are making money or they are saving money by using your skills. If it is happening, then why can't you use your skills to make that kind of money? So you basically have 3 challenges. When I started, I have 3 challenges, and with a lot of learnings, I was able to overcome all of that. First is, what exactly I should do? Because when you have a lot of information, you are always confused what to do. Should I become a cook? Should I become a chef, or I should become a photographer, or I should open a restaurant, or I should do some freelancing work, or what exactly I should do? Point 1. Point 2, who exactly is my customer? Now this is very, very important. I'll give you my example. I've been coaching and mentoring a lot of people. When I say a lot of people, I have more than 55,000 students whom I have coached or mentored in past 12 years officially when I started this company, and I've been teaching since last 21 years. So I figured it out that not everybody is my student. I have a very specific set of client persona, which I understood after 3-4 years of starting my business. Then initially I was treating everybody as my client. It doesn't work that way. So I figured it out, who exactly is my client. Third, and the most important thing is, how will you reach out to that client? There are other things as well parallelly which you are worried about. How will I package my expertise, or will somebody pay me or not? How will I build my authority? All that is part of the game. It can easily be done. That's not difficult. The difficult part is these 3 things. because that will help you to start your journey. Because most of them get stuck in these three challenges, like what exactly I should do, who will buy my product or who is my client, how will I reach it out to my client, do I need to learn marketing, I don't know marketing, do I need to create videos, yes, you need to, but I'm also not Shah Rukh Khan and I'm also not a movie star. I'm just creating teaching videos based on my skills. You can also do that too. Do I need to invest a lot of money? No, you don't have to. You should have a system, a simple system initially, right? And as you make money or as you scale up, you need to upgrade your system, right? I'll share my system with you, like what exactly I used to do. And that has to be very much organized. Don't make unorganized strategies. Otherwise, you will lose money. One major mistake a lot of people do is treating business as a hobby. Let's try and see what happens. ये भी करके देख लेते हैं. क्या पता शायद. It doesn't work that way. I did that and I failed miserably initially. And until I found my mentor. And he said to me that, Sudhanshu, you need to understand that what is the difference between a hobby and a business? Hobby will give you pleasure. It will not take a lot of your money if you won't do it well. For example, if I am a painter, if I love to sketch, it's a simple investment, a pencil and a paper, and even if it goes bad, nothing wrong. But in business, if you go wrong, it will take a lot of your motivation, a lot of positivity, along with a lot of money if you go wrong. So I never encourage people to invest a lot of money in the initial phase. In fact, try to validate your proof of concept first. Whatever you are trying to do, try to validate it, making some specific amount of money. That's my way of actually evaluating it. I'll recommend you to make at least 1 lakh rupees with your proof of concept in a fixed time frame. Let's say 90 days or maybe 120 days maximum. If you can do that, believe me, it is going to give you a lot of confidence to scale that journey. Right? I did that and it took me around 6 months to make my first 1 lakh rupees. And after that, every month I used to make that much of money. And I cracked the code of like how to find my exact customer. And it took me about 6 months or 6 years or so to make my first 1 crore. And since then, it is very predictable revenue and it is going well. So if you're looking forward, and if you're serious enough that, yes, I am skilled, I have good expertise of whatever I'm doing, or if you are already have started a business like that where you are coaching and consulting people, then believe me, I can help you to scale it to next level. I read this book called as $1 Million Business long time back. I think I have it as well. Let me check. Yes, I have it. This book. Right? It's a great book, right? All of you should read that. I'm not promoting anything, but it's a good book to read, right? And I always dreamt of like making a $1 million company. And 2 years ago, I was able to accomplish this dream through proper strategies. It's not rocket science. I'm also an average IT professional. I was an average IT professional 12 years ago. I'm a pass out from a private engineering college, nothing great in terms of education. Coming from a middle class family, no financial backup. I don't know many things. My communication skills are also average, you can see that. But still, I'm able to build a $1 million company. I'll not say 1% exactly. I have few people to help me in sales. I hire some freelancers as well. But still, and I want to share this knowledge with a lot of people, not with everybody. Definitely not everybody can do that. But if you have a strong desire to succeed, right? If you want to build something of your own, you can see it as a legacy or maybe something which can help you make money throughout your life consistently, then this is going to be a game changer. And especially if you are my student, you know what I can do and what I have accomplished. You can research on YouTube and all that. It's a great opportunity, guys. The kind of world we are entering, especially AI, it's not a liability, it's a great asset. The day AI came into my life, everything got changed. Everything became very easy actually. So if you are looking forward to build a $1 million business, I invite you to my webinar. It's a 2 to 3 hour thing because I cannot teach everything on YouTube, it will take a lot of time or a lot of series of videos. I'll definitely try to add a lot of value in upcoming videos. But in that particular webinar, I'll make you work on a lot of things. You need to sit with me, write a lot of stuff, right? Please don't come for general hobby kind of a thing that let me try this, because you need to sit for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And it's not easy. It's not easy. Believe me, in this fast moving world, people are not interested actually to sit for that much long time. But if you are really interested, because I mean, I'm a living example, I can teach you everything what I have done, right? And if you are like me, and if you are thinking about like, I should start doing something of my own, because types of jobs, new jobs which are coming, or jobs which are changing, job roles which are changing, right? And it can impact your life. Better start preparing for that. Build a system, build a small business with a single person with very limited resources. And later on, when you start achieving, let's say 4 or 5 lakh rupees a month, try to scale it, because then you have money. I also did that. Initially, I didn't have money. Later on, when I achieved that much, I scaled it to the next level, right? So if you are an expert of any kind, it is important. You need to be an expert of any kind, or whatever. You need to know what you are good at. Then, believe me, it's a great time to avail this amazing opportunity. The world is waiting for you. What are you waiting for? I'm looking forward to meet you, host you, teach you, guide you, and mentor you in this particular webinar of mine. I'll share the link in the description. Please do come. I'll make sure that I'll give my 100% share, whatever I have with you. And using that, you can start your journey. And you don't know, maybe 6 months down the line, your kids, maybe your grandkids, maybe your friends will thank you for attending this webinar. I wish you all the very best. See you in the webinar.